guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of my April Curlbox. Yep. So when I opened the box, well, not this box because I haven't opened this one yet, but when I opened the box that the box was in, and I found this in it, so know what I'm getting. But we'll see. I hope they probably just forgot to put it in here and just stick it in the box. Hopefully that's not the case. But so this month it is the royalty issue, and trying to get thumbnail. But yeah, it's the royalty issue, and that's the packaging. And it is the Head and Shoulders Royal Oil, Respect the Crown. And on here they have the Moisture Boost Shampoo, the Moisture Renewal Conditioner, and it's a deep moisture mask, but it's like a sample size. And it has the Moisturizing Co-Wash, the Daily Cream Scalp, the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream, and the Instant Smooth Scalp Elixir. Oh, so there's a little coupon code for Amazon. I'm gonna leave that in the box, in the description box, so whoever wants to use it, they can use it, because I'm not gonna use it. But yeah, this is pretty dope. So let's see. Oh, it's a scalp. I love my African Proud scarf. So it's a silky scarf, and it's my black is beautiful. This is pretty nice. I'm gonna enjoy using this. So that's the little sample size. I don't know why they do this. Like, they could have left out the conditioner, the regular one, and just sent us the mask. But no, they did not do that. So they did forget to put this in the box. So that's why it was just sitting outside like that, which I don't appreciate. But that's the shampoo. I don't know. And that's the conditioner and the co-wash. And that's the Elixir. So yeah, this is everything that I got. I don't know how I feel about the brand. I don't know how it's gonna work with my hair, my texture hair. Like, I don't know. So I'm a little on the fence about it. So you never know. Hopefully it will amaze me and surprise me. I'm hoping that that's what will happen, but you never know. So yeah, so that's everything I got in my Curlbox. The Head and Shoulder Royal Oils conditioner. And it is for, like, it helps with dandruff and all of that. So we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want me to do any kind of video, like do a review on a product, on a wig. Just let me know. I'm open All right. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.